Welcome traders to the OneUp Trader beginner trading course. In this course, you will learn everything you need to know to get started in financial markets. I have compiled everything for you in one place. It would be impossible for me to cover all the aspects such as indicated platforms and products in the financial world, so what I have done is included the most relevant information. Remember that with the purchase of your course, you are entitled to the 170-page write-out that I've done in the text format. There are also videos on terminology, market technicals, fundamentals, sentiment analysis, risk management, developing a trading plan, and most importantly, trading psychology. There's also trading-specific exercises to improve your mindset and trading ability. You'll get a free beginner evaluation for the first month, which includes 2 free resets and 3 free one-on-one trader mindset coaching sessions with me. You'll get access to the fundamental and also the technical daily newsletter, which I write out. And then you'll also get 24/7 support from me on Discord. At the completion of the course, you're going to get a certificate based on your performance in the quiz. That certificate is going to be emailed to you, and you can use it on your CV if you would like in the future.